Is it 2025 yet? Man, waking up today feels more like we've jumped straight into 2077. While we were all sitting here waiting for the iPhone 17 Pro to maybe, just maybe, get a mini vapor chamber. RedMagic just dropped a bombshell from the future. Say hello to the RedMagic 11 Pro, plus the world's very first phone with built-in liquid cooling. Yeah, you heard that right. Liquid cooling. Let's dive in. First off, the design. It's clean, it's sharp, and it's unapologetically RedMagic. This metallic silver finish just screams cyberpunk, glowing with a futuristic edge that makes you feel like you're reholding a piece of tech from another dimension. And get this even, with a massive 7,500 milliamp hours battery, wireless charging, and now a whole liquid cooling system packed inside. It's still only 8.9mm thick. That is some next-level engineering right there. The frame has this slight curve that makes it feel great in your hands, perfect for those long gaming sessions. The overall look is flat and minimalist, almost like a sci-fi gadget that accidentally slipped through a time portal and landed right in our hands. It's so sleek, it almost feels unreal. Now, let's talk about the star of the show, that insane water cooling system. This isn't just some gimmick, folks. RedMagic is using a fluorinated liquid, the same kind of high-tech coolant you'd find in massive data servers. Why is that cool? Well, for starters, it's non-conductive, so it won't fry your phone. It's also incredibly heat-resistant and stays liquid in a crazy temperature range, from a freezing minus 60 degrees Celsius all the way up to plus 108 degrees Celsius. This isn't about chilling the chip directly, it's about something even smarter. It works to evenly distribute heat across the entire phone, paying special attention to hot spots like the battery area. It's like having a full-body cooling system for your device. And the pump, there's a micro-ceramic pump inside, and it is practically silent. You won't even know it's there. But if you want to know it's there, RedMagic has you covered. You can actually adjust the flow speed, and it even comes with glowing visual effects just so you can flex on everyone. Because, why not? Beyond the liquid, the cooling power is amped up across the board. The internal fan now spins at a mind-boggling 24,000 RPM, and somehow, the whole phone is IPX8 waterproof. How they managed to combine an open fan system with that level of water resistance is just pure magic. Of course, RedMagic hasn't forgotten the essentials that make it a top-tier gaming phone. It still has the beloved 3.5mm headphone jack, thank you. The shoulder triggers are now longer for better control and feel, and there's a slick new RGB LED strip on the back to complete that gamer aesthetic. It's not just about performance, it's about the entire experience. It's a device that looks, feels, and performs like it's from the future. Obviously, we're all dying to see the full picture. We still have to wait for the official launch to really put this beast to the test. We need to see the real-world thermal performance, benchmark the processor, and get a good look at that display. But even from this early glimpse, one thing is crystal clear. RedMagic didn't just build another phone. They built a sci-fi relic, a tangible piece of the future that you can hold today. It really sets a new standard for what a smartphone can be. If you're as excited about this as I am, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss our full review.